Wala Mzansi. Mzansi. In case ngisho la ngene ukuthi i-X-Repo ayibhadalisi and hala. So le ndaba senza ukuthi hayi ku social media hayi 1.5 ngeke uzuyithola i-X-Repo social media ngeke. Is either uza kimi eOxford or uyasithinta kule number le la escreenini. Assignment office ukuthi namhlanje siza abantu simsiza kanjani. Mawahlezi kule sandla and aphelele. Isiphansam C1 uyithoma and ngiyifethi. Assignment soyichoma.
Njani?
Nayi fukile. So yeah, imilwe. Kwenze
Ex ukulabula na cancer.
Okay.
So yena group yabo mani more like we go the same church. So whilst we were at church, we were trying to organize some outings as bomani. So we wanted to go to Bilabila. So we approached a lady by the name of Nanki. So she's not far from our side. So she was recommended by the lady here because of she knows her work. So January 2024, we went to her and then we approached her saying we are a group of 10 ladies, so this is what we're gonna do, undertake a trip to Bilabila. Please organize for us. Okay, everything was fine. She managed to send whichever information that we needed. Okay, then we gave her the dates for September, around the 24th. Is partaking that holiday, the 24th. So, okay, as time went on, in March, then she called. Loko a phone, yes, loko a phone, anibutisa makaya deposit. No deposit nina yona, but though I see lela kume saying deposit, but ningazama ku rumela I otherwise vele ifanele endline ikhoma ndawo. So ibi ningurumela first payment on that day. Then it went on kind of communicate that please unrumela the proof of payment and the proof of booking. She never did that. So okay, along the way, and someone can rumela mali. So mali an kani rumela kansana. So around May, ibi abana this thing okay guys in that date le amilaba. Ninge koti kuminyiketa yona because of I'm fully booked for that weekend. So ngombela miteka at least first week ya September. Okay, we said no problem. So later on, because of Ida we were 10. Then I communicated with her. No, you know what? We are no longer 10. We were 6, ne? Yes, so we were 6. So she didn't have a problem. Mangarna problem. And then abana this thing. Okay, you know what? Let me rather recruit other people. Laba bangata fambisana na wina. And then he entered Shikul, and then she created a poster. Usually you created the poster for the trip in. So I created a poster, and then a nice thing. Okay, no, we are happy about it. We recruit but when we don't have a problem. So we always communicated with her. And then until August came, whereby I was supposed to get the payment letting a salela. Then loko senungunyika the payment letting asalela ndakunsala na 3 payment of which it was the balances for 3 ladies. And then that's when she started asungula story ke manje abana this thing the BNB like the place like fanele yaka yona yithwili. So we're like, okay, loko yithwili, you know, we don't have a problem, it's your problem Soswan. So please yinyikete indawo enwana ne bantu batirhisana bila yikulu. So zela munhu wa wena ay endlela yini ay labela ndawo enwana for our day. So yena engeni yelo I akhoma athika yaka yena ifonela even with the lady last refuel we went there. Okay, because of like you say isungula iba commotion between us and her.
Asiswe refuel.
Yes.
Sesi
ilerato.
So yes. When asiswe November ukuthi kanjani
naki motsiba ka hore ngwana hae.
Welcome back to Black Case File, the channel that exposes real cases, real scams, and real justice. If this is your first time here, make sure you like this video and subscribe because every week we bring you a new case from the streets. Today's case is about a group of women who trusted someone with their hard-earned money and ended up losing everything. This is a story about trust, betrayal, and how one man with the right documents was able to help these women fight back. Let's get into the file. A group of women came to us with a painful story. They said a certain lady had promised to organize a trip for them, a nice getaway, something they were all excited about. It was supposed to be a time to relax, to bond, to enjoy themselves.
My little sister, they went to the same school. So that's how in.
What's a pahala?
Ke kala bona no hore a tshepahale because of so gona le batho ba bangata ba ile go balla ka yena. O ropa batho ba dikereke bele.
Uko ka yena no.
O dula ko dimo gona Mkhilane ba re ke Kongiba Street.
Manje sizomthola yena. Ngahlala khona.
O tshama ari kona. Yena o tshama ari kona.
So loko ifika ke okay me anamani ke idenjisa twa ku yini ke.
Loko hi ta n'wi teka hi n'isa court. A ri awe va n'wi byerile na le court. Ku loko nga va hakeli va ta hi nyika phepha. Ende loko se va hi nyikete phepha se hi vitana wena. Ende wa swi tiva ku ri u endla yini. So ba n'wi endle awe yes. Yes va n'wi byele court.
Vakuva kuna accident.
Yes. We were very from the onset ba n'wi byerile ku ri loko u nga va hakeli because we gave her 2 months. Ku ri a hi hakela end of June and July. It's 7.4, of which initially it was 8.4. So the other lady, yena nuna wa yena uya angilandela mali. So ebe akota ku nyika 1,000 rand ya yena. Yes, because of the balancing wa yena ayiselena mina. So ebe ya yena iba settled, ebe kusala yena.
Ngani kwa mama kaka to kumkomleka to ku. Yeah, ubona le lo. La mangwana. Uzunyeka lelo okay. So, le ready.
Hayi ready.
Let's go, Masal. Mama Yami. Super.
Kunjani ma? Hayi ungahlala phansi nje. Labo sisilabo engihamba nabo uyabazi. Ubazi kanjani mama?
Ngihambisa abantu amathiphu.
Oh, okay. Lama thiphu akho ahambela kuphi?
Siyabo Bela Durban, Cape Town.
Okay. So mawuthi yabazi uthi ukuthi ngabe baze ngani?
Okay. Abafani ne Durban nempoma ne Bela.
Okay.
Okay. Abo sisi bokumele baye eBela. Ke kwavela inkinga labe siya khona indlu yakhona iyasha phakathi ubhuti wakhona bekasilungisela. Okay, fine.
Akushonanga umuntu ma.
No.
Okay.
Okay, fine. Anyeke like ngise bude. Bangisa small clay. Ne? Babe ngisa small.
Before bona bazokuyisa. Indlu mase ishila and then what was the solution?
I-solution yokuthi ngingabuyela kubo mina. Ngayo bacela ukuthi guys because of more tripping ne kenga profit yaka ne and then lena angetshelete ya gae. Okay. Obvious na profit aka se ke itshile. Lena sa inkile be ke le kopa le be date eng le gotlele. Ebe le gore a o so amplela ho ka se kgonagale ne ba bang ba dumele because bona ba batla ditšhelete tsa bona.
It's very more. I want to put when the date September we do meet.
Yes, ya September we do meet. That's when she came with the story and then I gave her another date here November. That's when in November futhi abuya na story. Ase aku driver unyikete driver mali because of loko sari hita ifamba foot ni ale ku ruyaleyo after this we are not gonna go because of uyosungula eri September we gave her a date in November and then wa hala ba yini futhi where twisisa
Oh yeah ngena mama
nakwe uri wena go tshile go bilabila ke itseng ko wena
Okay.
Kare if at all go tshile motho o tshwantse a etse plana gore a re batlele another guest house again kare I have people ba nang le di BNBs ba re ntwe o ibang ko bilabila a gona ntlo e kileng ya tjha that time na bua maka vele e be ke re kwa yene okay 90 a go le so wena o reng a go le so e ba rai re tla sa date eng ke mo a tlileng ka date ya November e be setsa
After working so hard. To join, each of them had to contribute money. They didn't think twice because this was someone they knew, someone they trusted. In total, they handed over $10,000. They paid in good faith. They trusted her. They started making plans, telling their families, arranging their schedules, getting excited about the trip. But the day came, and the trip did not happen. When the women started asking questions, when are we traveling? What's happening? Where is our money? The lady started giving one story after another. First, she said there was a delay, that things would be sorted out soon. The women waited. Nothing happened. Then she said her house was
transport you remember karikina le motho transport jiki within an hour wa phone or o tshotse motho each one wena
mo conversation ya re baneng le yona nna ha o tlo ntlhalosetsa mathata a bilabila le go tjha o mpontsha conversation ya o le motho wa gago ke sa tseng gore ke fake gore ke eng you said motho o wa gago itse it's better we pay them back. It's better we pay. So we agreed on it. We'll patala back.
Yes. Wa gopola hane ke tlile ko wena Kensan. Ke tlile ko wena Kensan ka go pa re buisane. Actually ke le ka gutlela ko small thing. Ka lo bona small thing ka nna ke na le bothata ke kopa hore ausi a gotle re to buisana because nna ya ka chelete profit ke jile le ole le ha isa inkile so ne kopa
okay mara ola yena wa black yena akere into ichile. So alternative nele
alternative ne at first ne ke bua hantle le mosadi wa gae ne ke rena na le ko spetlele but it's ha ba right bo abuti ba gagwe ne ba re ba ka khona go mothusa family ke family I think ba ile ba tshigelana sanga ba utlwana ke tsebo what happened because ha setse
business o sa re chelete there's no way
and then it's nna ha se ke gutla nna ka be ke roitse keng e be ke dumela kwa le ko small thing ne e be ke roitse keng ka ba patala but ene nkutsa bohloko gore e jana se ke tlo ba patala wa khumbi o nkile chelete a kere le ole o
mo fa jwa motho wa khumbi re so ipala
re so tsama
o mo fa jwa
chelete o itshola ha le a straight transport
mamela au
nna ke a re di tlaela o kana kana gore o tleba ne a re di tlaela a gona gore botase re go file chance 2 years. You think you are fools?
No, mamela. Ke a utlwa wa lwana ne.
I don't know ba la shataka.
Okay, fine. Mamela. That's ne. Motho transport the way se tsang ka teng. Tshwantse o patale pay deposit because batho ba disappointana. Batho from nowhere nje bana lo khatha ba raksa tsamaya. Nna ke le ka dumela ka okay. Ke itse keng ke tla tsama gore nna ke ba patele. It's okay, no problem. And then gape that's why ke le ka gutlela ka rotse keng I don't have ne. E re kilo kopa hore ke buisane le bona ka ya ko Kensan ne ke kopa hore re buisaneng gantle ka le ba ile ba nromela back ko bona ba tsamaya lo bua le bona gantle ka re okay no problem ke tla tsamaya ke lo bua le so ke ile ko ausi e be le gore yena le ha ka understand ba bang ba ka se understand e be ke tsa appointment le refill ke re ke lo bua le refill apparently na ko ke lo bua le refill ke na ko fisang my brother go hospital
when so now
yes so a se khale qeta mo pata.
Okay, go
wa go bolela kona ona nteng o itse go tlhokofetse monna ga gwa ke o go Natal wena go file chance ke na go ya chelete a go ntwa gale o itse wena go tlhokofetse monna ga go so go ga go a ke tse ronda bo le go tsagalang and then go la ntlu go ya go la ntlu ya go tlhokofetseng besides ya ronda bo ya go Natal a fetsa wena go bo o re ko a ke se o ke Rockville ntwa monna ga go tshotse o rekise o tshilo jwang go tlogela magna ke re ba my memory is very good. When I was also rekiseng to then o tlo patala ka yona and ha o fetsa o batla go nka Kensane le nna o receive for massage wena o na kana wrong bribe no sile
a ke no shoka ja
sile lo so wena kana o ja batho eno dlala batho ba di reke
o le ba go bla tsunga ji
I told you that o dlala ka batho ba wrong o sile
okay yeah okay umama igama bani
Shila
ngapha
Makhau
okay nina kwenzeke ningi yenu nibe short nje
size la masifika lana go bo batla ile gore no gona le trip ya neng e gaufinyane ya Sun City a ba no
Kare setse go le gaufi and maybe re tla pitagana ka tšhelete. How about renke ya September ya Durban? How re agree go be mnate. Re na re kenya tšhelete ko re kenya until re fetse full amount. Full amount which was 2,050 rand each. And then mo tšheleteng yone go na le tšhelete gape ya transport. Fine re patale re fetse. 2 weeks before re tsamaya se re rekile re pakile di suitcase.
Just like us.
Absahanjwa. I get
akere ye intlo e chile moya bona
burnt down and she was dealing with a family emergency, so the trip had to be pushed back further. The women, being understanding and compassionate, gave her more time. But then came another story. And another excuse. Every single time the women pushed for answers, a brand new problem would appear out of nowhere. It got to a point where the women started noticing a pattern. Every story was different, nothing ever added up, and worst of all, she was becoming harder and harder to reach. Calls were not being answered the way they used to be. Messages were left on read. She started avoiding meeting them in person. While she was busy telling one story after the other, the trip was never actually happening, and the money was no.
Thank you. Thank you.
We agreed that 2 months. It was July and August. You came back. Okay, no, you're court because of court. I get my yes. I get
Solo iphepha la court.
Okay, mamela. Ya go tla mapela. Go la re sa founela wena
wa gopola ke tlile ko wena ka re ke nna ke ithopileng ka tla ko wena ka re re filwe ke atla ko wena re to bua.
After I called you.
Yes, but
after I called you ke botsa rona ko no ikopaneng le ya eng.
Mara ke tlile ka tla le cancel. Okay, cancel mamela ge. It's okay. Bo mama ne le di group tse itshutse ne di a tebe. Ne? In le ba 7 days bona ba kene ko 4 days. So mo groupung ya 4 days e bele gore gona le ba so qetseng ba kopa ha ya cancel wa trip ba kopa go change date. So akere bo mama group ele ha ba itlwaela ba 4 days ba change fela date mara no mama ba change le date but they went nka le bontsha everything they went ba tsamaile ko Durban. Yes, re tsamaile ko Durban le ba 7 days re tsamaile re khutli e bile ne ke ntse le Kalatina re
khantsi bona aba ke mo Mpumalanga.
Okay, no aba ke mo Mpumalanga re tsamaile le ba Durban ne ra khutla. So bo mama tsa problem in e bile mo kae go bua nnete bo mama ha ba ntloyela bale it was a group ne ene bale ne ba khona le gore ba tsong re kopa o change date ha re so be balance. So bo mama ne ba di thufela ka be ka itshwara gore ha ba ntsebe ene ha ba ntloyela and ba na le right ya gore ba re ko nna o dile tšhelete rona ka patswang.
So why o sa ba refund?
No ke ntse ke ba fa ganyane gore fela mo la ke tsene khale mama ke zamile nyana ka re o se keng e re ke nne ke zam ke ba file mama se ke mo file 1,000 rand 1,300 mama ne and then mama ke na sa le se komra ganyane ke mo file 5 ya since go 5 ne ya ke mo file 5.
So ya rona no plan ile go ipatala yang
no ya lona ma cancer if o ka gopola hantle ke tlile ko wena cancer ka botho ka re cancer go pa le tsamayeng gopola gantle cancer e bile ke lahle ke kena ka mo next door ka cancer wa le sa tsamaye mar ka trip because
nna ba yetsang ko bila 90 ba yetsang September le mo beile wa balla ka September ra understand ra go fa November ba retela ka ditori ra go isa ko court wa agree ya ka di date and then ona no e bile ko court re go ne ke go eletsa molemo ha ke dumela statement you understand and ona mo ya go balla these 2 months but still mo 2 months o dutse fela ha o etse le mzamo wa ra nyana okay mamela ke nna e ke tlileng mo a ke ra o cancela di-trip tseo ke nna ke tlileng ke tlo buisana le wena and then wena ha so o tla monna after so tswa court ke tsile le wena ko court wa khutlela ko court because
ba itseng ko court ba itseng
from the first day the really three ko court
yeah ba itseng ko court
remember ko court ba itseng if you don't pay them
ba tla go
isa kae ko ex ke ba boleletse
no mamela mo
e kopa o botsa ba itseng
ha ke sa lo ha le gore ke ba patele ne ba tla ntshwara gapa ba tla nkisa ko ex
ko court
no ko court ya ko court ba ile ba o la bua a re o batla ipona so tlhageletse ko bo ex mo o buile mo so nna
wena wa reng wena
no nna ke re ke le ka bua ka okay ke tla sa akere so aka dula fela ke le ka etsa gore ke bone gore o itse keng ntwe a itshware gantle kwa nna self e re nna gape ke gutlele ke bona aka batla go ya ko bona straight ke le ka e re ke gutlele ko court gona ko mo rentseng molao teng ebe nne ke buang le bona because ha ke tlo ya ko e tlo ba ka
bana tšhelete ya rona mo ko khotsa ba tshwara tšhelete ya
no boring
wena o tshwere tšhelete ya rona
boyothini court
no benyo bacela ukuthi bengicela ukuthi ngibe enye grace kopa ke benal option 2 ya ke kopa ba tsamaye because gantle
o tla sana o tla patala kae o pala go patala
no
nowhere to be found. Eventually, it became painfully clear to the women they had been robbed. Their hard-earned money was gone, and the person who took it was running away from them. Left with no choice and tired of empty promises, the women decided to seek help. They needed someone who understood how to handle this the right way, not with fighting or shouting but with proper process. That is how they found Mr. X. Mr. X did not come empty-handed. He came prepared, with a proper letter of demand, along with the necessary attachment documents, laying out clearly and formally exactly how much the lady owed and giving her official notice to pay it back within a set period. This is important because
no mamela a ke go patetse kwa ha ba tsamaya ba tlo tsamaya ba tlo kry space ba tsamaya ke yona ntwene ke ikopa nna ko bona ke kopa nna once because
no communicator le yena o itse ha re bontsha di WhatsApp messages tse no communicator le msadi go lo ga ake gona le mo a itse we can refund be rona re opt for refund ra kopa refund ya rona go wena o distribute le jwang chelete amongst batho ba gago a re ke na chelete it was from my account to your account.
All right, sharp.
Ke
kopa o mo tlhalosetso why we are here now.
Re tlo kopa chelete ya rona.
If you see your
attachment ke na le yona wa tseba from the court ba boleletse gore attachment.
Sheriff is here.
Yes.
So I wouldn't no problem or I wouldn't ma'am.
No se ke tso gore like a ke re one tshwetsa gore if chelete a ke re na gona no a ke na yona.
Oh ha ona chelete no.
Gona no obviously and ke tsata a se go.
Mpela maphepha.
di policy packets
le last week le wa ya lefuru wa rena wa tema di policy ntotso
di policy ya tlema mo go tshwana chelete o tshilo ya no o tshilo
yo di file ana atimo le na go communicate le zandi ka nako tseo
mamela guys mamela
o itse o re cancel ya September ne le pekpe ya ka ke lo jela ko pele ke spendile ke prepare ke reka dilo
Okay, all right, mama. Lena I warrant of execution against property wabona ile esho ukuthi wena if unganayo le 7400 manje kumele ukuthi manje babambe impahla yakho so manje wena ngisingawe unayo imali na yokubabhadala
no mina awamanje nginayo imali
awunayo imali manje maybe ungaba nayo nini so
ngicamba manga kumele ngisukume ngibone ukuthi ngenza kanjani because to be honest okwamanje anginayo
awuna mali manje yini wena into ubona ukuthi bangayibamba ukuthi wona right masobanika le mali yabo bese yabuya
wo sala ta deposit ko driver because arrive ala ma taxi driver
kansani
wo sala
mapi
okay I get it batho ba ba itse wo sala ta deposit ko driver because arrive sebedisa
tla problem ne wena o buela wena o a bua fela ene wena ke re rona rena le nka ila ta jwang because ke batla hore le tsamaye
because of this trip as I'm possible I'm posing these questions because of it makes sense I get
because it shows the women did not just go and fight the lady on the street. They followed the proper channel. The letter of demand was sent, giving her the chance to do the right thing and pay back what belonged to these hard-working women. But even after receiving that formal notice, she still failed to settle what she owed. So Mr. X moved to the next step and recovered the debt the legal way. He took possession of some of her property, a TV stand and a fridge, as a form of attachment, to secure what the women were owed. This is a lawful process. Her belongings will be held until she...
We never used their services model, so whoever say because of challenge from my account to your account again. Hey, so that's why I get when I then when I found
All right, so okay, whoa. Alright, so manje uthi akanamali manje yini izinto enizibonayo ukuthi singazibamba?
Ithini fridge.
Okay, bese abomama bona.
Lisona speaker lo microwave.
So manje nina ngapha nizobamba in or nizomlinda ukuthi ahathile anibhadale. Okay, so bona bakhuluma nge-TV nange-fridge nina ni
speak. Never get to 7.4.
Imali miyala nguthi.
Never get to 7.4.
Imali miyala nguthi lera. Yeah? Imali miyala nguthi konta kusamba na yini.
Ngakupha usheba.
Ngazela iteka nkarhi hinkwawo itata ka lembe hinkwawo.
So mama ngicela ukuthi ngishaye isibani sami ke manje ne. Ngiyasebenza bomama. Ngiyamkhulula right manje. Right, ifike yaphuma. iTV yaphuma. Igenerator yaphuma ngapha. Isipili ngapha. Siphi lesipili? Yeah, yes, yiso lesi.
No, yeah.
Bomama. Ekugcineni after iminyaka nasi izinto zitholakele. Angiqale ngabe uzizwa kanjani?
Ngijabulile. Kunini sihambele imali yethu?
Yeah.
Alibele asipromise ukuthi sizoyithola. Ngijabule kabi X.
Alright, so nina nobayithu nizobamba iTV. Yeah. Generate.
Basicela ukuthi bahambe nazo once lokho breaking
A1. So until abhatale 10,000 yohle. Alright. So nizizwa kanjani nina ngapha?
Now I'm very happy over them.
Ngiyabonga X. Udlale ngathi lo mfazi asezijupit. Ngiyabonga yazi nabanye bafundekile namhlanje ukuthi sidila nekruku.
Alright. No, ngiyabonga kakhulu ke. Ngicela ukuthi ningiphumeleni kanje ke.
Wenzele nabanye. Asibonge.
Wala mzansi. There is no way ukuthi ngaba khona umuntu odlala ngabanye uexercise sekhona. And ngiyayithanda lephathe encane lekuthi lamakhotman nalamatime.
She pays back the full amount, and once she pays everything in full, she will be able to come and collect what belongs to her. Now, some people watching this might ask, why not just call the police or why go through the stress of a letter of demand and attachment? Well, here's the truth. When it comes to matters like this, having things done properly on paper with the correct legal steps gives you real protection. It cannot easily be denied, twisted, or ignored. This case also shows something important about trust in our communities. So many people have fallen victim to TRIP contributions, group savings, and investment clubs, where one person collects everyone's money and disappears with a string of excuses. It happens more often than we think, and most of the time victims don't know what steps to take, so they just accept the loss quietly. That is exactly why we are bringing you this case, so you know that there is a way to fight back the right way. This case is a reminder to all of us. Anytime you are contributing money for something, a trip, a business, an investment, anything, make sure there is something in writing. A receipt, a written agreement, a group chat record, anything that can protect you if things go wrong. These women trusted based on relationship and promises, and unfortunately, that trust was abused. But we're happy that with the right legal steps, a proper letter of demand and firm follow-through, they were able to start recovering what belongs to them. This is exactly why documentation matters. This is exactly why you don't just hand over money on a verbal promise, no matter how close you are to the person or how convincing their story sounds. We will continue to follow this case and update you as more of the money is recovered. If you've ever been in a similar situation, drop a comment below and let us know how you handled it. Your story might help someone else avoid the same mistake. Don't forget, Like this video, subscribe to Black Case File and share it with someone who needs to hear this. Until next time, this has been Black Case File. Stay alert, stay protected.